Hello, in this demo, we'll show the complete data flow of how recipe values are sent through our Tilt Ignition module and how they would appear in the Ignition's tag structure and how they update when an order starts. So let's start by examining the current recipe values in Ignition. So I've already logged in Ignition, so I'm going to go to Status and then Tags, then Tilt, and my tenant name is Bottling, so I'm going to browse Bottling. And the asset that we are looking at will be depalletizer 1. So we're going to go here. So we have depalletizer 1, read, and now we can see that there are currently no control parameters folder. So back in Tilt.io, this is the recipe that I've created for depalletizers. So any depalletizer that has an order starts running, we will send the control parameter temperature with the value of 101. Now I've prepared an order for this demo as well on our depalletizer 1 asset. So I'll just start order. And here you can also see in the order details that we have sent the temperature control parameter for phase 1 with the target value of 101. And if we go back to Ignition, we could see that a new folder, control parameters, had been created. And if we browse it, see phases, browse, and we only have one phase. Then we have temperature, which is the control parameter. And then we'll see the value that was sent, target 101. So to recap, the values update instantly when the orders start through Ignition, and your systems receive exactly the information they need when they need it automatically.